Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by today's video, I'm giving away these two lovely palm trees. They're not the biggest, so they're not the most stately, substantial plants, but I wanted to give back to my viewers. I've only just recently hit 200 subscribers, which I'm so thankful and appreciative of. Especially as I've only had my YouTube channel for a little under 4 months. So I'll be giving away this Phoenix Canariensis and this chamaerops humilis. So all you have to do, guys, to be in with a chance of winning these plants is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment below what your favourite tropical plant is in the garden, and that will enter you into the competition. The more comments that you submit on this video, the more entries you will get. So the competition will be open until the 1st of May 2022. So sorry if you're watching this in a couple of years' time, you have missed out. So yeah, I'm going to keep the competition open until the 1st of May, and then I will do the draw on the 2nd of May, and I will go through all the comments and write everyone's name down, put them in a hat, and I will draw out 2 names. So yeah, just to reiterate, guys, like this video, comment below, and be subscribed to the channel, and good luck. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.